Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can play Spotify liked songs in order. So let's start. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open up Spotify. So from here, you can go and search for a song. Let's say just for example, let's add a song from here. Okay, so for example, this one, we're gonna play it and let's open up the song and just tap on the heart right here. Okay, so here it says it's added to liked songs. Now, in order for us to play the liked songs in order, you can go back to your home screen and here go to your library. And here under recents, it is going to show all your liked songs in here. Now here it is going to be arranged as the most recent first. So what you have to do is just tap on the green play button here and it is going to play all your liked songs. All right, so I think that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.